And the state announced today it's looking to expand the list of people who will be eligible for the COVID vaccine.
Yeah, the news also comes after the state public officer announced that the COVID cases are falling in California. KCRA 3 Stephanie Lynn is live for us right now with the latest on that. Stephanie.
Yeah, Golston, Edie, nothing set in stone just yet, but this could be good news for the many Californians living in our state with underlying health conditions. Now, at a community vaccine advisory meeting today, state health officials shared that people with a disability or a medical condition could be next in line for the COVID-19 vaccine after some essential workers and older residents. Now, this proposed change only applies to people vaccinated at hospitals or other clinics where a person's medical status can be verified. It does not apply for people getting their shot at a mass vaccination site, like a drive-through location. Now, another key thing to keep in mind is that today's proposal did not specify which disabilities or medical conditions qualify. All that is still yet to be determined.
All of these conditions and disabilities need further definition, and really importantly, methods to really do this in an equitable way. And some of the ways where we've talked about defining a developmental or high-risk disability would be if an individual is not only likely to develop severe life-threatening illness or death from COVID-19 infection, but that acquiring COVID-19 would limit the individual's ability to receive ongoing care or services vital to their well-being.
Now, the committee today shared that this next group that could be vaccinated will be prioritized after Phase 1B Tier 1. Now, we also heard from the president of Blue Shield at that meeting. Governor Newsom tapped the company to oversee the distribution of the vaccine after widespread criticism and confusion over the state's rollout. Blue Shield's president said it plans to work with local health jurisdictions to build out a network to help track the movement and supply of all vaccines from the moment they are ordered to the injection site. Now, those conversations are expected to take place over the coming days. And we should also add that today, data shared by the State Department showed that people with disabilities are 3 times more likely to die than others from COVID-19. Reporting live from the studio, Stephanie Lynn, KCRA 3 News.
Yeah, there are a lot of people in our state who've been waiting for this news. Stephanie, thank you.